What's up, YouTube? I'm Mr. Nobody. This is my garage. This is Mr. Nobody's garage. So this car is a 1973 and they call it a Lusso. The cool thing about this car is you're going to see Panteras built one of two ways. You're either going to see them all original and pristine and in somebody's collection, or you're going to see them out on the road and they've had some updates and some modern parts added to them. This is that car. So this is not the original color of the car. Originally it was white from the factory. So this car was painted a Lexus color. It's called Black Cherry. It's got Willwood disc brakes all the way around. Got coilover suspension, so it's had a lot of work done to it. It used to be on the track back in the day. This car came out of Southern California. It's been a California car pretty much its entire life until I brought it here to Texas. Check out the meats on this thing. So these tires are 315 35 17s. Those are not the original wheels that came with this car. This car would have come with a 15-inch wheel. So the rear tires on this are actually wider than a Ferrari 488. So that's my 1973 DeTomaso Pantera. Just kind of a quick introduction to it. Like I said, not a lot of people know about these cars, and that's a shame. The plan with this car for me is to get it out and show it as much as possible. So if you're at a car show and you see me there, come on by, say hi, sit in the car, enjoy it. You know, that's what these cars were built for, to be out on the road, not sitting in a garage under a cover. So check back, hit like, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you follow along. Hit me up on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys.